everyone, it's Tiara. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I was kindly sent Ferra Rossa Beauty's brand new eyeshadows from her unicorn collection, and I'm so excited because I really love the colors that are in this particular launch. And if you have not watched my video yet, I did do a review and demo on the first batch of Ferra Rossa Beauty eyeshadows that I received a couple of months ago. So I'll put that video in the description box and in the card section at the top right hand corner of your screen, so you can go and click it to watch it later after this video, okay? I am going to be featuring or using these eyeshadows in her unicorn collection. If I'm not wrong, I have the pamphlet right here. Shout out to Ferra Rossa Beauty and her distributor here in Singapore, Glow by Iman. She's also a makeup artist, so you can go and follow her on Instagram. Thank you for reaching out to me and sending these my way. So the first one is Panna Cotta. So it's this very nice orangey color. And then next up we have blueberry. Which is a blue shade, duh. And I think this might be a satin finish. And then last but not least is the one that I really cannot wait to put on my eye, and this is the shade Lollipop. So don't know if you can tell from the screen, but it's a color shifting. It's like a shift of turquoise, green, blue, and a bit of burgundy in there, which is like so excited. Alright, so the first shade I have is the shade Panna Cotta. It's an orange shade. Okay, the thing about Ferra Rossa eyeshadows is that, right, they are not super buttery, but I think they blend very well. So, ooh, okay. Not bad, not bad. Impressed. Next up, we have the shade Blueberry. Oh, that's pretty too. This one has like a teal blue shift to it. And last but certainly not least is the shade Lollipop. And oh, okay, this feels a little bit gritty, but more, I feel that there's more oil in this formula as compared to the rest of them. So, but I think it's because of the glitters. So let's see. Can you see? Okay, you can't really tell how pretty it is like from the camera, but okay, let me just try and shift my hand around. Can you see? Like on my hand now, it looks champagne, and then when the light hits it, it becomes like a pink, and then it's a blue, and then it's just confusing me, to be honest. Okay, so I'm gonna scoot you guys closer, and then we're gonna start on our eyes. Alright, so I'm gonna, as always, prime my lids, and I'm gonna first take the shade Panna Cotta, and I'm going to buff that all over my crease. There's a little bit of kickback, so be wary of that and tap off your excess. And I'm going to just concentrate that on in my crease. Okay. Between the first batch of eyeshadows that I got and this one, I feel like I'm more excited for this one because I just love the colors. Oh my god, this color is so nice! Okay, I'm just gonna apply it all over my crease, and then it's fine if it goes onto the lids as well. I'm gonna also put a little bit on the inner corner of my eye as well. Okay, so next up I'm gonna be taking the shade Tiramisu, also from Ferra Rossa Beauty. This was the one that I received in the previous time. With a slightly tapered brush, I'm going to concentrate that on the outer corner and the inner corner just to darken everything up. With the first shade, Panna Cotta, I'm going to just blend the edges. I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm just going to blend everything nicely. Next, I'm going to be taking another brush and I'm going to go in with the shade Raspberry from Ferra Rossa Beauty as well. I'm going to be a bit careful with this because I really want it to be just at the outer corner of my eye. So I'm taking a slightly more stiff brush to apply the foundation block. I'm going to take a stiffer brush like this. This is my MAC 217, and I'm just going to plonk the shade on the outer and inner corner and just wiggle my brush around. So I'm just gonna pat it like that and then wiggle. So you have something that looks like this, and then just take a blending brush and circular motions I'm also going to be putting raspberry into the crease as well, just to darken it and match, as in like connect the two ends together. I'm going to be taking the shade Blueberry and I'm going to use my fingers and pop it on the center of my lids. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Lollipop, and again with my fingers, a clean one, I'm going to pop that on top of Blueberry. Oh good god. Oh my god, it's so pretty, I want to cry. Can y'all just... Okay, so there's a little bit of fallout when you apply the glitters, but I am loving this shadow look. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna stop fiddling with it right now, because the thing about the glitter shade is that, right, once you put it on and then you start blending the edges, it will just blend away. Then you have to top it up again. So my advice is, once you apply the glitter, just minimal blending, and then if you want to touch up, you gotta touch up. But yeah, but other than that, I am so happy with how this look looks like. Now I'm just going to finish off the rest of the makeup. So I'm going to be taking an eyeliner. This is by Marc Jacobs. You can use any eyeliner you want. And I'm going to put it in my waterline. This is the shade Irony, yeah. Then I'm just going to smudge a little bit on the top. You know what, I'm just going to do my tight line. For my lower lashes, I'm going to go in with the shade Blueberry, which is the first shade that we used, and I'm going to put that on as close to my lower lash line as possible. And I'm going to wipe my brush off, or if you have another brush, you can use that too. I'm going to go in with the shade Panna Cotta, which was the first shade that we used just now, the orangey shade, and I'm going to blend out the blue. Bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna finish off my eyes with some lashes, and I'll be right back to finish the rest of my face. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, I'm gonna finish off with my face. I'm gonna be bronzing my skin with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer and the Ultimate Shader brush from 13 Brushes. For blush, I'm going to be taking the Makeup Geek blush in the shade Bliss. For highlight, I'm going to be using my MAC Soft and Gentle. I'm going to take my sponge. And then I'm going to finish off the look with my Velvet Lip Cream by H&M in the shade I Should Cocoa. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and a little bit of a review and swatch video of the new Ferra Rossa Beauty Unicorn Collection eyeshadows. My favorite shades would have to be Lollipop and Panna Cotta. I think if you are interested to purchase any of her eyeshadows, Panna Cotta is like an amazing shade, and I really like it a whole lot. Overall, I'm very happy with how the eyeshadow turned out. I really like the glitter, the shade Lollipop, and because I put Blueberry underneath, the shift that I get from the glitter is blue. But I think that if I were to put a pink like eyeshadow underneath, it's going to be pink. So I'm gonna experiment more with it, but generally I love this eyeshadow look. Let me know in the comment section down below if you like it as well, or if you've tried any of the shades before. And yeah, I just really like how the look looks like. So I hope you guys like it too and found it helpful. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me, and I hope to see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!